Alright, what is up guys, Lucidmaniac here, and this is the second time I've had to record this video, because the first time, Tradecraft bugged out. Deacon was not registering my interaction of the fact that, like, hey, I'm here, supposed to meet up where we're supposed to meet up, and instead, he was just acting like, oh, I got some shit I need to take care of first. If you guys have ever come across that bug, you guys know how annoying that is. So I had to restart. I had to reload a save, and then I was like, let me just save right near Corvega first. So that's what I did. Oh, Jesus Christ. God damn it. It's a fucking rad storm. I hate rad storms so much, especially in survival mode. And especially since I don't have, like, decontamination arc. I really should. But here we are.
Hey.
Deacon, is that you?
Like the disguise? It's Wastelander camo. This is my pile of garbage, asshole. Back off. Good, right? You're lucky I didn't do one of my face swaps, too.
I almost didn't recognize you.
That's the point. So about the job. The railroad's only recently been using the Old North Church. Our old base was underneath the Slocum's Joe. We had a pretty sweet setup until the Institute found us.
That sounds really bad.
It was a disaster with a capital D. The survivors didn't have time to grab anything. So we're getting something important we had to leave behind.
Let's find it then.
We gotta do one thing first. We got a tourist nearby. He or she has information on the base. So let's pump him for information before we dive in. For now, I'll take point. So I'm looking for rail signs. Symbols we use to send messages. If you like that, we got signs and countersigns, dead drops, even a secret handshake. Alright, maybe the handshake never caught on. Anyway, the tourists should have a trail left for us. Here we go.
Sweet.
Rail sign.
Awesome.
The center indicates a direction. So our tourist is up ahead. Let's keep going.
I'll venture forth. I hate these rad storms so much. I mean, I get why they're there, kind of adds something interesting, but I'm like, come on, bro, fucking really? Okay. I thought there were ghouls in this area.
Got another rail sign. Right there.
No, okay. Well, there was, but they're dead. Sweet! How many 10 mil ammo do I have? Hell yeah. Also, I want to mention, like, in between episodes, I got this resilient laser musket that I'm gonna sell. So, yeah, it scared the hell out of me because I came across the legendary ghoul as I was back at the Old North Church in between episodes, and so I was like, great. It scared the shit out of me because it had a skull on it also, so that's even worse.
And another. Probably close.
Do do ba da ba ba ba. All right, Deacon, what you got? Jesus Christ. So slow. Jesus Christ, Deacon, hurry up. Oh, this isn't like New Vegas where someone's slow, you just push them to speed them up.
See the plus in the center? That means there's an ally nearby. Our tourist. You take point on the conversation. Look, no matter what he says, you just say, mine is in the shop. Trust me.
Do you have a Geiger counter?
Once your friend gets here, how about we have a chat? thank God. You have a Geiger counter? You have a goddamn Geiger counter?
Mine is in the shop.
Who the hell is he? HQ said they were sending one agent, not two.
Sorry, I'm new. She's just showing me the ropes.
All right. The wall is my witness. I thought I was dead. About goddamn time you headquarters bastard got here.
Tell me what's going on.
I signed on for some light recon. But that little Slocum's Jones is crawling with goddamn chrome synth sons of bitches. Front sport by the hell of that. They placed mines all over the goddamn place.
I appreciate all you've done.
Oh, it helps. I really do. As soon as it's safe, I'm getting the hell out of here. So you need anything else, better ask soon.
I'm good.
Well, isn't Ricky just a ray of sunshine? You think he's telling the truth?
He doesn't strike me as the dishonest type.
Yeah, that's my read too. First rule in this business.
Technically, he's not lying.
Never go against your gut. So if we take him at his word, the front door has mines, synths, and probably other fun surprises. So we're going in through the escape tunnel.
Tunnel's gotta be easier than a frontal assault.
Easier, but no cakewalk. You lead us there, pal. I got you covered.
Actually, you know what? I have an idea. Since this is... I've never done this.
Hey, Ricky.
You need something else?
God damn it. Hold on. I didn't realize these were speech checks. Criminy hell. Alright. Give me a second, Ricky. Newsboy cap. 8. Hold on. 9, 10, 11. Okay.
Yeah. We're assaulting the base. Once we strike, use your rifle to pick off anyone you can see. A lot of lives are depending on us.
You silver tongued son of a bitch. All right, I'll take a couple shots. If I see anyone come for me, I'm running for the hills. We're done.
Sweet. I've never actually done that before. That's my first time ever doing that, and I remembered that I'm able to do that. So, that's neat. Oh shit, hold on. I need the eyeglasses. Better perception. Yeah, I've never picked that option before, just because I never really felt the need to. Because I never really play on survival mode. Plus, like, the extra challenge is survival mode, but I am recording. And I was like, that'll be a first. That'll be a first time. There's a first time for everything, am I right? Hold on. Shh. Deacon, are you fucking kidding me? God damn it, Deacon. I mean, we didn't die, but Jesus Christ. Alright, whatever. Alright. Actually, I once heard that I think it's possible to actually get the... Is it possible? No, well, maybe not to get the deliver early on, but to definitely gain access to the vault that it comes in. But it involves, first it involves Nick Valentine, and two, it is.
Excuse me.
We're in. The back entrance
Needs a lot of patience.
Be ready for Gen 1s and 2s. So it's time you learn why we're here. We're retrieving a prototype developed by our good Dr. Carrington.
Let's find a prototype then.
Together with you? I like our odds. First step, override the security lockdown.
Then let's do so. Jesus Christ. Deacon, for the love of God. Oh my God, are you seriously gonna walk all over these places? Fucking hell.
Well, the terminal's on at least. I'm gonna feed it some passwords. No. Ah, missed one, you cocky bastards. The prototype's deeper inside.
Sweet.
Something like the rail sign here. This one means danger. Yeah, you know. We're going that fast. You know.
Well, now we do. Oh boy. Shit. God damn it. Stupid rat roach.
Wait, see the box in the center of that rail sign? That means there's cash nearby. Looks like maybe they managed to hide something before it. You know, look around. Tinker managed to turn on the
Ah.
Hey, probably saved some lives. I don't think you've ever seen a Courser, but they're top of the line in Institute.
Oh God. Shh. Ah! Oh God. Okay. Okay. Oh boy. Oh, damn it, and I'm dehydrated from water. Shit. God damn it, I'm terrible at this. How about let's not? Alright.
I am equipped with the most advanced Institute sensors available. I will find you.
No, clearly not. If you're about to lose me.
By order of the Institute, you must be destroyed.
Plus, that may be true, but your aim is god-awful. I say that as I almost died to them. So, you know what? Maybe never mind on that one.
Another active terminal. We didn't have time to trip the fences up.
Even though this is practically freaking useless. Oh, you guys can also... Maybe I could teach you guys how hacking works. It's really not that difficult, but... It's difficult for me to explain because it's a lot to take in. Oh boy. Oh god, hi. Run. Shit. Fucking hell. Okay, we're good. Oh boy. Let me take a quantum. Mutt chops. Holy shit. Is there one more scent that needs... Okay, it's not along this area. Okay. Alright, we're good. Right, so let me show you guys how hacking works. At least I'll hope. So how this works is pretty simple. You have to like sort of match up. You have to find like the keyword in some of these. What I usually like to do is I usually look for stuff like these. What you do is you click on it. Anything that's like the less than equal to the brackets and whatever those are called. I usually like to scour through here and just kind of get rid of. So I tap on these, and these either refill attempts or just get rid of duds. So check this out. So I use the word flask, and it says a likeliness of 0. That means none of the letters in the word flask shows up in the password. So every now and then you'll see me be like, okay, flask, F-L-A-S-K. Whenever I look over at bombs, I select bombs. Sometimes there's one. Sometimes it could be... We do have a few options here. If we do lords. So it's probably money for all we know. And then you just want to make sure... It's like butch. That means... And... So it's within some of these, one of the letters in butch shows up in that exact spot. So if we do books, so that means more likely the B shows up in the first one. So if we do brain, so obviously, if you guys saw from that, the equals 1 was the B showing up in the first spot of the word. It was the first letter to appear in the word. And it's difficult to explain for me because I am a god-awful idiot.
Hostile sensor reading detected.
But hopefully you guys get the general idea. If not, then I am sorry. Okay. Die, you son of a bitch. Oh shit, sorry Deacon! Deacon, I'm sorry. Okay, sweet. Level 13. What was supposed to be level 13? Ah, shit, I can't remember. 13, hold on. Maybe armor, so that way I can get... Just so that way I can get shadowed armor. Yeah, that's what I'll do. There. Oh, damn it. I can't heal him because he's not a companion yet. Which is dumb. Because I need him alive. God damn it. For fuck's sake. Oh, I see. There's two of them right there. I thought it was just the one. Like I give a shit. Sweet.
Bye-bye, Gen 1s. Prepare to be shocked. Not every Slocum's Joe has a massive tunnel complex underneath it. You're entering a secret defense intelligence agency research lab, a place that never officially existed.
It's called the Switchboard.
Prototype is locked up in the heart of the facility.
Okay, now that I have 2 illnesses, it is time for me to... I think, do I still have... Yes. Oh boy. This one does extra damage. I do not want that. Okay, so let me eat some food real quick before we move on. Still peckish. Sweet. The fuck? Did they just teleport more since then?
Yes.
Has it always been like that? I never noticed.
Whoever or whatever you are, I know you are out there.
Oh boy. Oh shit. What are you, the Beatles? Oh shit. I mean, I saved, but still, I don't like that. Oh shit, that would have been the perfect lineup. Dude, can you imagine how amazing that shot would have been? The synth just flips over Deacon and I just one-shot him. Not really one-shot him, but I finish him off. That would have been badass. Alright, let's keep going.
Statistically speaking, your survival is improbable.
Bitch, we've made it this far. Who do you think we are? The Brotherhood of Steel? We're not in some further burst, so it's not gonna blow up. Oh boy. Oh shit. I got this. God damn it, hurry up and reload. I hate how long the reload takes. Jesus Christ, I hate it so much. It's so goddamn annoying. Oh. Sweet.
Open says me.
Bingo.
Tommy Whispers didn't make it out. He died protecting the secrets. Let me see.
I could sell those, but those are heavy.
Don't let it size for you.
I appreciate it.
May it serve you as well, heck better than it did Tommy.
Sweet.
Grab Carrington's prototype. You turn that over to Desdemona, and she'll have to let you into our Mary Van. There's an elevator at the end of the hall. It should be a hell of a lot easier fighting the chrome domes on this side of the minefield.
Yep. Let me hurry up and loot everything I might need. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to, hopefully there's a bed nearby so I can sleep, so I don't have to go all the way back there. Well, it looks like I might have to.
Lower limb actuator damaged.
How? Yeah, let me.
Lock tight.
Let me head back over there and sleep real quick. Alright, now let's.
Is someone present?
No, no,
Successful.
no one's present.
Critical.
Great. Now we have the gun that's pretty much essential for this build, and this is definitely one that we're going to be using the rest of the game. Come on.
Going up.
Great. Almost done here. Bobby pin. Hot plates. I could use a couple of those. I need to be careful with the junk though, because I have like 24 more space left. I'm very much hoping that I'll have enough time to actually make it back to the Old North Church. If not, I could always start the next episode and then head immediately to the Brotherhood of Steel questline. I could just start at the Old North Church and then head on over to the Brotherhood of Steel. Jesus Christ, again with the rad storms. Can we not, please? Thank you.
Hello?
Okay. Oh God. God. God damn it. Next time, body shots. And you know, it's a good thing I saved. I knew that section would be an issue.
Hello?
Your stealthy attack was unsuccessful, and now you must die.
I don't care. Oh boy. Jesus Christ, I hate this so much. Aren't we glad I'm not doing a... Let me tell you, it's a good thing I'm not doing like a one life challenge where like what was it? It's a permadeath playthrough. It's a good thing I'm not doing that. I am not that good and I am not good enough to do a permadeath playthrough. I am awful. It's hard doing a stealth character and trying to keep viewers entertained without being like, especially just keeping quiet, especially when like you need to listen and you're just like shh, 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 shh. Cause that's all I do whenever I play stealth characters. I always, every single time I make a stealth kill, I'm like shh, 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 especially for no reason, just cause I don't know, it's to remind myself like I gotta be quiet, you know. I have 30 minutes. Yeah, I have 30 minutes. If I can do this without dying, then I'll be able to make it. Unless, could I sneak my way out of here? I have a stealth boy. Let's try that.
Movement detected. Curious. I have found you. You must die now, human.
Deacon, get your ass over here. Deacon, don't. You know what? I don't need him. I don't need him. I do not. You can talk to him. I'm not going to. Unless. Deacon, you know what? Yeah, I'm not going to bother. That drained pretty quickly. Besides, he's not my companion, so I don't need to worry about him. I did it! Oh boy, that was fun. Very scary. So I'm gonna head underneath the bridge up near the Beantown Brewery, and I'm gonna sleep, and then I'm gonna haul ass over to the Old North Church. Thankfully, I think I found a proper way to actually get to the Old North Church without alarming the enemies. And what I will do in between episodes, between this one and the one we have to go to deal with Brotherhood of Steel, is I'm gonna get modifications for the Deliverer. Whether I get it through Tinker Tom or I make them, whatever the case, I'm definitely gonna make sure that I modify the Deliverer so that way it's a lot more powerful and it is a lot more efficient for my needs, which is accuracy. Because with a character like this that's very heavy in VATS, you want the accuracy. Definitely. Okay, thank God. And definitely one of the things I'm doing in between episodes is find a way to get a decontamination arc, because I need that also. Alright. Sorry, I had to make sure no stupid me. Again with the fucking rat storms. Oh my God. Are you fucking kidding me, bro? If I die on my way there, I'm just gonna end the episode. And then I'll start the episode at the Old North Church, kind of finishing up the mission. Let me see something. I just remember what one of the perks could have been. Okay, no, that's up until 7. Wait, hold on. What? No, 15. Okay, 15, 16, and then 17, 18. Was that what it was gonna be? 17. I don't know. I'll figure it out in between episodes. I'll make a chart. But Jesus, that didn't take as long as I thought. It took like 30 minutes to do, but otherwise it wasn't as bad as I expected it to go. Yeah, I'm gonna need Action Girl because I'm sick and tired of just sprinting and all of a sudden hearing Nora just breathe so heavily in my ears. Okay, we're good. I just want to make sure there are no mongrels in the area. And see, I want to do Fallout 76, but the issue is that whenever I record, I like to keep my thing to myself, like my voice to myself. Although what I could do is make a party. And oh, also I feel like I should mention, in between episodes I was traveling through here and Swan was out of his little hidey hole, so that was terrifying. I mean, obviously we're all good now, but terrifying. I can't remember. Actually, I think it was through this way. No. No one's here. No one's here. I'm not at that point yet where I'm powerful enough to be like, yeah, it's me, bitch. Oh boy. That was too fast of movement to be super mutants. I'm just not gonna deal with them. I have fucking places to be, alright. Oh, cool. Pikmin's stuff. No real reason to go over there, but who knows. That means I'm close by. Hold on. Yep. I am right there. Sweet. Made it. And I'll just... Oh, wait, hold on. I can also sleep at the Ordinal Church also. So I can just save there and then end the episode. Sweet. Everything's coming up. I'm smart this episode. Not by much. Not by much. I made some stupid decisions this episode also. I didn't really need Ricky in the end.
And the new girl patched me up, put me on her shoulder, and blasted her way through the rest of the complex. Synths everywhere.
Carrying you the whole time?
Amazing, right?
That's one word for it. Deacon told me you single-handedly secured Carrington's prototype, disabled the minefield, and wiped out 100 Gen 1s. So is any of that true?
Mostly true. But there wasn't 100 of them. And Deacon was with me the whole way.
Embellishing truth again, are we?
She would have fallen for it, you know?
Don't flatter yourself. Still, I was expecting Deacon to grab a full team, including Glory, to secure that prototype. But instead, just the two of you cleared out the entire switchboard.
You'd be insane not to sign her up, Des.
You certainly made an impression on Deacon. He's never spoken about or lied about anyone so highly before. Welcome to the Railroad, Agent.
Sweet.
Glad to be aboard.
It seems we're very lucky to have you. So you're in. Now we need to know what to call you. Secrecy keeps us alive. Code names are a part of that. So what's yours?
Have any suggestions?
No. It doesn't work like that. Your life, your name, your choice.
Call me Whisper.
After Tommy? Or either way, That's very fitting. Your first official order is to deliver Dr. Carrington his prototype and see if he can use another pair of hands. But first, it's time to meet the rest of the gang.
I was thinking to whisper a Bullseye, but I used Bullseye. Jesus Christ, it.
So be careful coming in or out. You never can tell when you're being watched.
So I was gonna use Bullseye, but I mostly use Bullseyes. That's what my original Railroad survival character is, because she's a sniper character. So I use Bullseye as like a sniper character. Obviously, it makes sense, right? It's Bullseye after all.
It may lack the amenities of the switchboard, but it's safe, and we've taken precautions not to be surprised again. Things are chaotic right now, so there's plenty for you to do.
Cool. You know, I wish I could get her outfit, but the thing is like, if I swap her outfit for like another one, it does not respawn. Like, she doesn't get another one. I don't think so. It'd be nice to have it, but
This is Whisper. She did the switchboard.
the only way I can get that outfit is if I kill her. But to get the ending I want, I do not want it. I thought my phone freaked out on me. The only way I can actually get that outfit is by killing her, but obviously to get the ending I want, I cannot kill her.
She's a full agent, effective immediately.
Because I'm trying to get the peaceful Minutemen ending.
Feel free to welcome her aboard. That is all. It's not an easy road you've chosen, but you're never alone in this.
Sweet. Good to know.
Word is Diamond City is under opposition control.
Opposition control. I thought that line only showed up like after you do like the I thought that line only showed up after you do that speech for the Institute.
Tinker Tom's cooking up something. I hope it goes better than last time.
Alright, so let me sleep. Great. Now we're in this episode. So we finally did it. We have the Deliverer. Which means we are one step closer to getting this character ready for the rest of the game. I need to figure out what I want to do for outfit-wise. I don't know if I want to keep doing the leather armor, or if I want to switch, or once I get it, if I want to switch over to the general's uniform. Do let me know in the comments. But otherwise, hope you guys did enjoy this episode. If you did, make sure to leave a like, leave a comment down below. I don't know. If you any feedback or whatever, leave it in the comments. What I should be doing better, or if there's like any sort of like positive comment you can give, like what I'm doing good. If there is any, I highly doubt there's any. But then, yeah, leave it in the comments down below. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you are new, if you do subscribe, hit that bell notification to be notified when I upload, because I don't have a schedule. Lose the Maniac out.